Hello everyone, my name is Lightning Jaguar and welcome to another video. I know it's been a while, but I've been busy with school and stuff. So, welcome to another video. This is drawing myself in different styles too. And right now I am drawing myself in Sean Animate style. Yep. And I'm gonna try my best to duplicate his style, because I am not that good at duplicating other people's styles. So here we go. And yeah, I am working on a Halloween video. I know Halloween has already passed, but you know, I couldn't get it out in time because it's like 22 minutes long. Yep, you heard me right. 22 minutes long. And I'm still working on the Q&A. I'm working my hardest. I am trying to get it out in time before I reach 300 subs, if that ever happens. And I hope you liked the video. I hope you liked the video. That's what I meant to say. And yeah, I'm almost done here. I'm just finishing it up. And yeah, I've kind of lost a bit of motivation in animating. So if you could help me out and like motivate me in the comments, that'd be awesome. And believe it or not, I'm in a movie, and this guy made it. This guy right over here, he made the movie, and I'm in it, and a bunch of other animators too. And I suggest, if you want to subscribe to Parallel, that's the name of the movie. I'm gonna link the channel into the description, and join the Discord server if you want. And you can also like join mine, you know. And here is the final copy, you see. And now I'm gonna move on to Alex Mations. Alex Mations is one of my best YouTuber friends, and he does a lot of good animations. He reached 70 subs, which is awesome for him, and I suggest you subscribe to him. He's really good, as you can see. And if you do, help him out and help him reach 100. That is his goal, and I want to help him out as much as possible. So if you could subscribe to him, that'd be awesome. And yeah, and I've kind of lost a bit of motivation. I'm probably not gonna animate on Flipper Clip anymore, because it's too hard for me. It puts too much pressure on me, seeing all of the frames and being like, oh my goodness, I have to draw all of this. And for the people that are able to animate like that, I am so surprised. It's really hard, at least for me. So I'm gonna go back to the way I used to animate, probably sprinkling a bit of Flipper Clip animations, not too long, because then I'm never gonna be able to finish it. But I have to finish the 2 videos, so I'm not gonna give up on that, and I'm gonna finish it as soon as possible. And yeah. Oh, and by the way, in the movie, I have different powers. I don't have lightning bolts. I have earth manipulation. So if you see that, don't be surprised, because I chose it. I chose it as my power. Because, you know, the movie's name is Parallel, so I decided to make it a parallel self of myself, if that makes any sense. And I'm not going to spoil too much in the movie if you want to join the Discord server and see what it's about, but we're going to be fighting a bunch of villains. It's going to be really awesome. And I'm probably going to use Flipperclip on there on the animation battle, so you should look out for that. And help me reach 300 subs, that'd be awesome. School's been really difficult. I don't really like it. I mean, I like school, but like, it's difficult in my grade that I'm in. And I've been given a bunch of homework. I usually finish late, and I don't get enough time to animate. So yeah, I don't get as much time as I want. Oh, and here is the finished product. Whoa, look at that. What? Oh wait, let me fix something. I forgot to change this. Never mind. Because you see right there, his mouth isn't black and the inside it's pink. And next is the Super Duper AdventureHQ. AdventureHQ does awesome animations. They do choose your own adventure animations, which is really cool because they make it look really fun. And they're really cool people. Yeah. They each have their own individual personalities in their channel, and they are all so awesome. So if you'd like, I suggest you support them if you want to. I'm not saying you should, but if you want to. I'm not forcing you to, but I think you should check them out. They're really awesome. And I hope I didn't make you guys wait too long for me to upload another video. And that's why I'm uploading this video, just so you guys don't get bored of my channel. And I hope you like it. I actually really do. Oh, and I also made a second channel, which I'll link. It's called More of Lightning. Icicle Productions helped me name it that way. Because at first I had it Lightning Jags too, but I think More of Lightning is better. Thanks for Icicle Productions helping me out. Yeah, and I am almost done with this. I just need to finish it up, and I'll be done in a couple of seconds. And I am done. Here's my AdventureHQ style, and look at it. Tell me what you think. Tell me how I did in all of these. And here's the last animator I'm going to be drawing using their style as, and his name is Hunter Animates. He is a really good animator as well. And he recently reached 300 subs, which is awesome for him. So if you'd like, check him out. And I'm gonna try my best to replicate his style. This might be an outdated version of his style because I couldn't find a newer video, but I'm gonna use it. And hopefully I get it right and don't mess up at all. And the first episode of Parallel is supposed to come out this January. So hopefully we can get it out by then. And it's just not gonna be a movie, it's gonna be a whole series, so It's not just gonna be like the movie and then it's over, because then why would we make a channel for it? It's gonna be a movie and the series. The movie comes first, I think, and then the series. And then maybe, I don't know how this is gonna work. We haven't really seen all the details, but yeah. I'll link the server down below if you want to join. I suggest you do if you want to keep up with the news of the movie. And we each have our own backstories, which makes the movie better. Yay! And here's my Hunter Animates. I hope you, and I'll show you through all of it. Here's Sean, Alex, AdventureHQ, and Hunter. Thanks for watching. Alright, so as you probably would have noticed, the video, I forgot to turn on my microphone, so the entire video I was silent. So, yeah, here's the bonus, and I'm probably gonna go back and like voice over it. What? Why aren't I able to draw? Technically. Alright, so we're back. I'm able to draw now. Alright, so here's the bonus one. And bump. That, yeah, it's Among Us. Haha. Got you. I'm just kidding. Alright, so yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go back and voice over the whole thing. I probably should have checked that my microphone is on. Oh my goodness. Alright, so bump, 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 bump. Come on, I left it open. Bump. I left it open again. Bump, bump. Put that back. Bump. Bump, bump. Alright, so bump, 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 bump. Oops, what'd I do? Oh. Oh, come on. Alright, now I'm just gonna bump. Wait, I need a little bit bigger. Probably too big. Oh, come on. Alright, so here is the bonus one. Thanks for watching. Stay snazzy for real this time. See ya.